I was so excited to start creating this Pokemon because I love the whole evolution chain from Oddish all the way to Bellossum, even Vileplume, which is the alternate to the final evolution, which if that didn't make any sense to you, here's a little picture on the screen to show you what I'm talking about. So let's get into the clay creation. Here we have the eyes, the base layer is black, and we'll put some little dots of white here, and some little accenting on the bottom, just a little bit of a darker green. And we'll cut out the mouth. Let's fill that in with some red clay. And we need some pink for the bottom, for the tongue, and some blushing cheeks here. And now let's move on to creating the flowers. I really love these flowers. I'm not sure what the name of this type of flower is, but they really remind me of something Hawaiian. I guess that's because this whole Pokemon looks like a hula dancer. So we can cut out the different flower petals here. Let's get everything sort of straightened up, make it look nicer. And now in the center of it, we can make some holes, one on each flower. And we'll fill that in with some yellow clay. And inside of that, let's make another hole and we'll fill that in with some darker clay. I'm having a lot of fun creating these Pokemon. This is number 4 already, and if you guys want to see some more, let me know in the comments which ones you'd like to see. I have a few more planned before we move to a new series, but if you guys really like them, I'll keep creating them. I had some extra clay that was sort of a gross color, so I used it to make the base for this figure, because this base is going to be completely covered up by leaves, which will be the hula skirt for this Pokemon. We can start creating the leaves for that right now. It's a fairly basic design to cut out these leaves, and once I got one I liked, I just kept tracing it over and over, and that worked pretty good. So we'll need 2 different colors of them. First we have the green on the bottom, and we'll do this alternating pattern all the way around. And on top of that, let's take some yellow and fill in all the in-between spots. These leaves are quite a lot bigger than the bottom layer though. And on top of that, let's take some more green leaves to cover up all of that. Again, these are really big leaves. And now we need some arms for Bellossum. These are sort of in a dancing position. And now Bellossum is ready to get baked. And here it is, Bellossum. And if you're enjoying my videos, please consider subscribing to my channel so you don't miss any videos. And I'll see you all next Saturday.